Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you about that. This is the engine that came out of that 49 Ford pickup truck right there. F3 it is. And you know, it's a Mercury. Right there's the credentials. Check it out. I didn't know that when I bought this engine. I just thought it was a flathead Ford in there. So, you know, maybe lucked out on this one. You never know. But I mean, this is what I'm dealing with up to this point right here. So, and oh, it's definitely a Mercury EAC for sure. But that's all I know about it. So, oh yes, I do know something else about it too. For some reason, oh, I done already took that transmission off yonder to bring you up to date on that situation. But you know, it's got them dirt daubers down yonder and all that stuff. But that lower pulley down there, the keyway in the pulley is worn out, so I'm gonna have to get a lower pulley for sure. But it had a good fan and all. That generator stuck. Flathead Ford Mercury. I'm here in Middle Tennessee. The geographical center is something. Shop dog sound. Oh yeah. I had 2 Ford and 1 Mercury Flathead V-8, such as they are. I ain't gonna need some parts, but probably work on that Mercury engine there in the middle first. Get that rat nest out of the center. See what we're working with. Oh yeah. I got the engine out there on that stand. I got that manifold off from yonder. Okay, I done already had that off before I got the Camry out. I dug out a couple of handfuls, but I'll show you what we dealing with down inside that manifold right there. You know, didn't have no fuel pump on it, didn't have no carburetor. Little mouse motel, I think. Oh yeah. Let's get that gasket off there. See what we got down in that alleyway. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about. For sure been a varmint down in there. And we'll get that cleaned out. Gosh. That looks terrible, to say the least. But if it's a Mercury, it's well worth saving. Yeah, I think them mouses right there has been in there for a while. That's what I'm talking about. Flathead Ford. That's what you're going to find. That's what I'm talking about. Mercury. Ain't no Ford. Mercury. And we'll get that cleaned out. See what it looks like down in there. I get them valves out for sure. Hey y'all, come on back. We'll be working on something else then. Oh yeah. I done drug that Hoover out there. That vacuum cleaner done a wonderful job on that right there. I think I'm gonna get down in there and take the grinder to them valve stems. Grind them in 2. That way I can get the bottom part out, spring and all. Grind everything. And it's rusty. I'm just saying, running through a hot tank. Never know nothing about that right there. Well, probably 90% of the reason to buy one of these engines at the auction sale is to get the opportunity to dig the rat nest out of them and see how much rust is down in the bottom of the engine. After you run this thing through the hot tank, and we get them valves up out of there, that electrolysis would do wonders on that thing right there. But what I'm saying is, you have to buy them all to find a good one, Yeah, I'll tell you about it right now, if you want me to. This Flathead Ford's in the shop, but it's 63 Chevrolets in the backyard. I'm just saying. You know what I mean? Pretty good old car if it had a motor in it. Impala. From here in Middle Tennessee, the geographical center of something. I shop dogs, and y'all come on back later, and we'll start something up. Oh yeah, I am skids right there. Pine, just your common old pine you get over at the hardware store. That's got that there rust-oleum. That's that gel stain, It's a mercury walnut color on there. And tomorrow, I'm going to put about 3 or 4 coats at there. At Hellman, they make that Minwax makes that Hellman's spar urethane, they use that stuff on boats, I hear tell. I'm going to put 2 coats. I'm going to put 3 coats. That there spar urethane on them. Clear gloss. I'm just saying. Oh, yeah. Hellman's. Works pretty good for me. Oh, yeah. Same finish. Right there, wood right there. I think that's poplar, if I ain't mistaken. Mercury walnut gel stain. I'll put 2 coats at there, spar urethane on them. Works real good. Oh yeah, it looks pretty good when you get it under an engine. I'm just saying. And then those two of those skid runners will go right here under this engine right here. 3 horsepower McCormick there and them. That's what I'm talking about.